Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today is day 2 of 30 days with resin, and I'm going to make this cute little giraffe bookmark. So I'm going to be using some Resin Colorant, clear UV resin, and I'm going to be using some Artix acrylic markers. And that's just to fill in the details. So first I'm going to mix up some resin to make this bookmark. And I think this would be really cute for a, for a children's book. Make sure you mix it up thoroughly and then pour it in. Now, there are some bubbles. Okay, his little, oh, you kind of made a mess of that, but that's okay. I'll fix it. Just doing some quick cleanup. And let's see, I'll use this to get rid of bubbles. Okay. And then we're going to cure it for 180 seconds, turn it over and cure it for 180 seconds on the back side. Okay, so he's done curing. He did get a little lumpy from the colorant. I don't know why the colorant does that sometimes, but it does. So I'll just use a piece of sandpaper or a file to straighten that out on the back. Now for the colors in here, we're going to need, let's see, we'll need some, so we can use this is like a pink. We need the black for eyes. And I need orange for his spots. So let's do the spots first. Now this has a fine point on it, like that. And it also has a brush point. I'm going to use the brush point. I'm just going to color these in. Okay, and he's got a couple spots up here. Now that I look at it, I'm trying to figure out, oh, okay, let me see. Okay, that, oops, got a little too much on there. Okay, for the ears, for the spots, and then we can just do orange up here too. And then for his eyes, just get a dot in there. Dot in there, and get the smile. Looks perfect. Wipe a little away there. Looks like he's got a little bit of an eyelash. We can do that. And a couple of eyelashes. There. That's kind of cute. Sure you can see the eye really well. All right, so now let's put these away. All we have to do is do a clear coat over this. I'm just gonna do a couple little dabs here and there. And then I'm gonna spread it out carefully. I think I got the eyelash better on that side than I did on the other side, but that's okay. And then just go along the edges and get it over the areas you painted. Okay, and then cure for 90 seconds. All right, so now that it's finished, you can use this as a bookmark, or you can, actually I had this other idea. I will use it on a different one that I have, but you'll have to wait for that one. That'll be coming up soon in my 30 days. I sanded down the back and I put a thin layer of resin on there where it bubbled up. Sometimes, I don't know about the colorants. Sometimes I don't know if it's because you put too much colorant into the resin or what, but sometimes it bubbles up, or if it heats too fast, I think it might bubble up because this is a thinner project. So basically what you do is, for a children's book, or I'm trying to find a book. I have to keep using my one book for an example because that's just next to me, so I'll use that. All right, not quite a children's book, but it was a book my son bought me, so so wherever you left off, just place it in there and then close up your book. And then you have your cute little giraffe looking at you. So if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. The next video is coming up tomorrow for the 30 days of resin. So I hope you join us for that one. Thank you for watching. You'll find all the supplies that I used in the description box, and also you will find links to my artwork, my jewelry, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.